In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the TikTok ads library in just 5 minutes. Imagine you've been scrolling through TikTok and you've noticed the sheer variety and creativity of ads popping up. Perhaps you're a marketer, an entrepreneur, or just plain curious about how brands are leveraging TikTok for their advertising. Well, you're in the right place because today we will explore the TikTok ads library, a treasure trove for anyone looking to deep dive into the world of TikTok advertising. First things first, let's get you to the starting line. You'll need to open your preferred web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you're comfortable with. The choice of the browser doesn't impact the outcome, so go with what feels familiar. Now, with your browser open, navigate to the TikTok ads library. The simplest way to do this is by typing library.tiktok.com/ads/ in your browser's address bar. Hit enter, and you should be directed straight to the ad library. If you find yourself hesitating or wondering if you've got the right URL, don't worry. We've ensured the link is both current and correct as of this guide's creation in 2025. However, keep in mind the internet is always evolving and URLs might change. If the link doesn't work, a quick search for TikTok ads library in your favorite search engine should point you in the right direction. Upon arriving at the TikTok ads library, what you'll encounter is a vast collection of ads that have been shared across the platform. This library is not just a showcase, it's an invaluable resource for understanding what works on TikTok. It provides insights into various ad formats, creative strategies, and what trends are currently capturing the audience's attention on this vibrant platform. Navigating through the ads library, you might feel a bit overwhelmed at first glance, and that's perfectly normal. The array of ads, each vying for your attention with colourful visuals and catchy tunes, can be a lot to take in. Here's a tip. Start with a clear purpose. Are you looking for inspiration for your next marketing campaign, or are you analysing the competition? Maybe you're studying the most popular trends in TikTok advertising. Whatever your goal, having a clear intent will guide your exploration and make the experience more focused and productive. As you dive deeper into the ads library, you'll notice that you can filter the ads by various criteria, such as industry, ad format, and the objective the ad was meant to achieve. This filtering capability is incredibly useful. For instance, if you're specifically interested in how fashion brands are utilizing TikTok ads, you can tailor your search to display only those relevant ads. Similarly, if you're curious about the engagement interactive ads are getting, you can filter by ad format to focus on those. While exploring, don't forget to pay attention to the details. Successful TikTok ads often share a few common traits. They're visually compelling, they make excellent use of sound, and they have a clear call to action. Notice how brands weave these elements together to create ads that don't just aim to sell but also entertain and engage. Another practical tip is to take notes on what captures your interest. This could be a particular visual technique, an innovative use of music, or an engaging way of presenting the product. By analysing these elements, you'll start to uncover patterns and strategies you can apply to your TikTok advertising efforts. Lastly, if you're planning to create TikTok ads of your own, the ads library serves as a fantastic benchmarking tool. Compare your ideas against what's already out there. Is there a gap you can fill? How can you make your ads stand out, yet still resonate with your intended audience? These are critical considerations that the ads library can help inform. In summary, accessing the TikTok ads library opens up a world of inspiration, learning, and strategic insight for anyone interested in TikTok advertising. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, the library is a rich resource that can help elevate your TikTok advertising game. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope this guide has illuminated the path to accessing and making the most out of the TikTok ads library. Subscribe for more insightful content like this, and don't hesitate to drop your questions or insights in the comments below. Happy exploring, and see you in the next video.